going to do Google Sites number 2, classes. That's going to be a page we're going to create today. I highly suggest you click here and look at the example before you watch the video. So we're going to click on the example. Here's your home page that you've already created, hopefully. Come up here right hand corner, click on classes. And our page is going to look something like this when we get done. Okay. Step number 2, watch the video. I hope you're watching this video. Step number 3, log into Google Drive. Open up your computer apps folder, your sites folder, and your website. I've already logged in to my Google Drive. I'm going to click on my computer apps folder, my Google Sites folder, and I'm going to go open up my website. Okay. Step number 4, I'm going to create a web page. It's called Classes. So I come up here, I click on Pages, top right hand corner. Come all the way down here, click on the plus sign to make a new page. And we'll call it Classes. And press Done. Okay. Step number 5, title. Header type should be title only, and that's our title, Classes. So come back here, click on header type, click on title only, and that picture will disappear. That's all you have to do. And then the next step here, I forgot the number, but that's okay. I'm going to put a divider in right here. And here's the code. So you copy the code. Control C to copy. I come down here, go back to Insert, click on Embed, Embed Code, Control V. And you should get a blue line like this. Press Insert. Now if you get this, just drag this all the way across. And let go right here. It'll adjust itself back here. Then take this, move it all the way up as far as you can. And there's your blue line. Now if for some reason your blue line will not work, the code, just come all the way down here and then click on where it says divider. It'll be a thin gray line. So I'll just go ahead and click on divider. And here's this thin gray line if the code doesn't work. Okay? Alright. But my code works, so I'm going to keep it. So I'm going to delete this. Alright. Here's the start of our classes. Okay? Step number 6. We're going to use the layout with one picture and text. So I come back up here, right here, one picture and text. So click right there. It's going to put it right here. Now if we go back and look at our example, a video has to go here, our title needs to go here, and our 100-word summary of the class. And we have to have 4 links. So let's go back. I'm going to find a video. I'm going to upload from YouTube. Let's say our first hour is math, and we're talking about y equals mx plus b. Y-intercept right here. So I'm going to click on this first one. And there's our video. Okay? So, next step, our class information. See example. Okay? Here's the example over here. It has to be hour, space, dash, space, the class, space, slash, and the teacher's last name. So come back over here. We'll click right here where it says click to exit, edit text. So this is first hour, space, dash, space, the name of the class, call it math. If you have algebra, you can put algebra, space, and a little slash, space, and the teacher's last name. Okay? Now if you come over here and look at here, it's centered. So I'm going to highlight it, I'm going to bold it, I'm going to center it, and instead of title, I'm going to put heading. See, it's about that big. It's heading. So make sure you put on heading. Okay, now down here, see here's the top box, here's the bottom box. Now you have to come back over here. Okay, step number 9, class summary. It has to be 100 words or more. Write about the activities you have in class. So I'm going to start typing. All right. Now, this is supposed to be a paragraph. So make sure you write in complete sentences. And this is all I'm going to write, but this has to be 100 words. If you don't know if it's 100 words, here's your word counter. Now you also have to put in 4 links. 2 links to websites and 2 links to videos. Okay, I'm only going to do 1. So I'm going to click on integers. And I'm going to go over here, click on YouTube, type in integers, get me a video.
Hyundai complimentary maintenance. Standard on every
Get my
2020 Hyundai.
link here.
Up to 3 years. That's better than Toyota, Honda, and Nissan.
I don't need the YouTube, so I come over here, I'll highlight my word integers, click on the link, paste my link in, and press apply. Now remember, you have to have 100 words here, write in complete sentences the best you can, and you have to have 4 links. 2 links to go to websites and 2 links to go to videos. When you get that done, we go on to the next step. Step number 10, divider. Okay, you have to have your code. So here's my code. I'm going to highlight it. Come over here, click on embed, embed code. Okay, press insert. Now if you notice, it gives me a blue link again, or blue line again, but I have to do this again, do that again. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. I already have one up here I've already done correctly. So if I put my mouse on here and I click on the middle icon here, it says duplicate section. So I just duplicate it. Now it's going to give me 2 of them. I don't have to make it again. And I'm going to grab all these little dots and pull down and then let go. So now I don't have to make it again. I can just duplicate it. you have to have one of these between each class. And you have to do one of these for all 6 classes. So you'll end up with 6 of these. So you have to do all 6 of these. Go from here, start, do this 6 times. And this is the way it should look like. You have to have a video, your title, and a 100-word summary, and you have to have 4 links, 2 videos, 2 pictures, 2 websites.